Hello everyone, good evening. In this session we will talk about Markdown and how you can build output for Adobe InDesign document and also for HTML at the same time using tree shade. At first, a quick introduction. Here we are talking about software called Tree Shade. I have developed over a decade, and you can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. It's an extension for InDesign and Photoshop, Illustrator, and mainly for Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is the main component here for content management and auto-generating design. After installing the software, TreeShade will ask you to create root folder for your project files for the project. Inside that folder, you will have this folder, workshop, and within this folder, you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. So the editing inside workshop, and there are parallel locations, mirrored locations, have the same relative path but different route. Like here for versions, and here for versions PDF. And if you click workshop, you go back to editing location. Always be assured that here green line, because here in versions you will have red, because output locations is not for editing. If you modify a file here or change its location from folder to folder, the modification will be reflected automatically and mirrored to the output locations. Here we have folder inside workshop called Markdown. Let's create a new folder inside workshop. Let's name Friday, F-R-I. Okay. Now from Tree Shade menu, you will have this submenu new. It represents a folder, actual folder called new, inside the initial folder in workshop. If you click reveal this path, you will have you will reveal the content of the folder. Any file you put here will be reflected on the menu here. So it's a template file, so you can create a new file at any project quickly. You can add more paths, but this path installed with the software. After installing TreeShade, you will have these files. Here we have this content management system items, and I have created these for documentation for the software itself for TreeShade. So I use the same component to be in the template here. Here we have badge, inside CMS items, we have page, so we will create page using this. So where are we now? We created folder called Fry, F-R-I, inside workshop. And let's select the command from tree shade menu, a new content management system, page, a new. And let's name Markdown. Okay. Now tree shade will create a text file called Markdown, and beside it a folder called Markdown. And the InDesign document will be generated automatically, opened, updated and exported in background. So that's why we switch to InDesign. Let's close the files here. After checking in, Adobe Bridge will reveal the PDF files automatically inside version PDFs. So we need to go back again to workshop. Click here to go to workshop location in the same relative path. Now to reveal the file, we have duplicated file here. Let's remove this. There is a command in tree shade menu called move to trash. Use this command to move the files to a specific location, trash for tree shade. Cancel moving to trash, no. Move the bird folder to trash, no. Okay, anyway, this is a special text file that copied with the files when we select page new from tree shade menu. This text file have this special flag ts_key. If you double click this text file, the online form will be opened. Click yes here. So you will have this output bilingual Arabic and English. If you don't want Arabic, you can delete the files, and you can also add your language. This document have two outputs for InDesign to be exported as PDF and to web page. You can open the page here to preview on right section, and you can open a new page. Here we have two languages, bilingual Arabic and English. Okay, here we have one markdown field. Okay, let's suppose we want a subject about breakfast. write a small article Okay, now if you copy ChatGPT text and put inside here, inside the field, you will have this markdown. This is bold, for bold. So let's ask again, rewrite to use as a demo for Markdown structure. Okay, good. Copy. Not this, sorry. This is our project. Inside Friday, FRI Markdown. Okay. It's what the Markdown, the current Markdown in TreeShed doesn't support this, so let's delete. It supports bold, italic, links, embedded image, titles, list, both numbered and bullet. So we have main title and subtitle. We have bar. So let's click. Now I want to put InDesign and the bridge on the right. And here, let's close the preview. Now the end user, if he click or she, if they click update, the local server where the Creative Cloud exists will receive the command to produce the HTML files and also to open the document and update the content and format the Markdown. So wait, the document will be opened, English and Arabic, but here we write only the English part. The text will be formatted, the file will be exported and closed automatically. Now the end user can refresh after a few minutes. And now we have generated document ready. The power of breakfast. Here we have bar and we have formatted document. Oh, we closed the project by mistake. So let's go back here. Workshop. Double click on the text file that have this ts_key. For Arabic, let's click Arabic here. And let's put the Arabic part here. Translate the Markdown to Arabic. Copy. Here you have at the top, you have Arabic, toggle right to left. Let's delete this. I think instead of copying the code, I copy the entire reply. So let's click copy code here. Okay. This is not supported. I will support later. The line bar supported. The bold supported. Okay. Now let's click update. Now we have here assets element you can insert inside the Markdown, but let's do that now. Okay, let's make a photo about breakfast. From Freebic. Okay, what we can do now? Let's drag and drop here, and let's write comment. How we can insert the figure. I will add later a copy button here, but for now you can add like this. Let's put the photo under the first paragraph. Right, let's make left to right to know how to write this. Mark, what it's called, I don't know. Then square bracket, 3 dots, then assets, then write the name of the image. Here we have figure. You can write breakfast, and you can add more items here. So now we have breakfast. Okay, that's it. Let's click update. Now the form loaded again, but the PDF file is not produced yet. So you need to refresh the page after a few minutes. I will fix this by making the page to be refreshed automatically. Each minute refreshed. I will add that later. The English have no photo. I didn't add the photo yet with English, but Arabic it's added. Let's see if the Arabic have. See. Now the Arabic file have the photo and the text formatted. Okay. So, do you know we can load both English and Arabic at the same time? So click here, bilingual. The important thing is that you don't load the page if you don't submit the modification. And if you modify the content in your computer where the local server exists, you need to refresh the page again. So here we have Arabic and English. So let's copy this and put here. For the files, for the document, we have also essential components like the face of the document. Let's change to something about breakfast. Let's see AI generated. This cover image for both Arabic and English. For both documents. Here we have logo. You can change the logo. And in English and Arabic. Here the English is repeated by mistake in the template files. So let's click update. This is supposed to be edited by end user, not the same user in the local computer. You're supposed to send the link for someone so he can produce documents without the need for the graphic designer every time. So if you have repeated content, repeated template with different content, you can send the link so every time for social media like that, he can change the content and produce the design remotely. So let's refresh. Now we have Arabic and English. And the page automatically expand and shrink depending on the content. Okay, that's it. If you want to understand how this work and how you can customize, subscribe to the channel so you get notified because I go daily live streaming. Thank you for watching and goodbye.